Hi guys, welcome back. It's LSP. It's currently the 14th of June 2019. The time is 10 past 2 p.m. GMT time. I was trying to get this done beforehand. I really wanted to record the news release. I was in the Zoom room this morning doing a broadcast, to test the platform. And I was explaining in there that I was going to try and record the news release, but I went to the barbers. There's a lot of traffic where I am. And I just didn't make it back in time. So in between all of that, I've kind of moved my stop to break even about 10 minutes after the news release. Price isn't really going anywhere. Even during the news release when it happened, it's quite spotty at best. A little bit of volatility, nothing amazing. I think at one point, I believe I was up over 30 pips on the trade. Nope, not even 30 pips. I managed to squeeze about 19.2 pips, I believe it was. Yep, 19.2 pips. I wasn't feeling it. I mean, this is way after the news release, about half an hour. I literally closed the position about 5 minutes ago. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I do believe it's going up there, absolutely. But I'm not really feeling the market movement today, the way it's kind of just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We can see this pop here. Which when I looked at the screen in terms of my phone, I was just monitoring the position on my mobile. It was up here, but there was a tail behind, and I just said, you know what, I'm going to exit the position. It's Friday. I've had a very good week this week in terms of study trades and things to show you guys. So I'm more than happy. In terms of the positions that I've been able to show. And this is just another example of a quick scalp, really. And when I say quick, I don't mean time. I mean quick in the respect, it's just the way that I talk. I just mean quick in the respect of a quick 20 pip scalp type of thing. So, with all that said, thank you to those that were in the Zoom room this morning. Thank you very much for your feedback. I appreciate the feedback that you gave me on the platform. I think that's the one that I'm probably going to end up using going forward. There's a couple of others that I'm going to look into, but Zoom seems very, very good. Apparently, I say apparently, but according to the feedback, you guys were saying the video quality was good, the image quality was good, the sound, audio was good, and it allows me an opportunity to be able to have the chat on the side to be able to communicate with you guys. And then on top of that, it also allows me to give you control of the screen. So you can point things out if you have to, when we're doing question and answers and that sort of thing. So yeah, overall, it's a very, very good package and probably what I'm going to settle on. So I'm going to leave it at that, guys. I'm not going to look at anything else. It's just, again, you can see the trade if you've been monitoring this. I did post it yesterday before I opened the trade, saying I was expecting price to come up here, which was a mobile snapshot on the MT4 app, and then I opened a position yesterday, as I said, which you can see here, and then it's just been kind of grinding. I was expecting the news release to pop, to just rip up there. I mean, you can see, after all of this down, it's capitalizing, and we've had this nice expansion here. So this may be the one. I mean, to be fair, we're only talking another, realistically, 11 pips, 11, 12 pips. He's probably going to do it today, and for those that were in the room this morning, remember what I said about the high of the day and that information that I was discussing towards the end of the session that we did. So we'll leave it at that. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos as always, and I hope there's some useful information in them, and I'll get back to it probably over the weekend. I'll try and get something out, but it's probably going to be Monday now. I'll do a market review. As we're getting closer to the summer now, I'm going to start to wind down in terms of my trading, take a month off, and then when I get back, we'll go full steam ahead. Alright guys, so take care, and I'll speak to you in the next video. All the best.